Scaling your service business feels risky when decisions lack reliable data. That's where tracking in ServiceTitan turns guesswork into clear, actionable insight. Every call, job, and invoice becomes a data point that maps real performance. Visual dashboards reveal revenue patterns, technician efficiency, and lead sources instantly. With real-time alerts, you fix bottlenecks before they slow growth. And clean, consistent data means smarter forecasts and confident investments. Start with goal-aligned metrics: revenue per tech, conversion rate, average ticket. Use visual funnels to find leaks from booking to payment, then prioritize fixes. Automated reporting frees leadership to focus on strategy, not spreadsheets. Integrate schedules, dispatch, and pricing to measure margin impact in real time. Track AIB changes, marketing channels, and training to scale what actually works. Measure consistently, act quickly, and watch ServiceTitan data accelerate your growth.